In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to order Starlink directly from Jamaica from Starlink. No middleman, no price gouging. So you want to go to your browser, whatever one you use, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, Google, and type in Starlink or starlink.com and select the first one that pops up there, starlink.com. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to their homepage. On their homepage, it's going to list the services offered by them. There's two options here, the residential plan or the roaming plan. Go ahead and select the residential plan. That is the plan most convenient for most customers here. Once you select the residential plan, you want to go ahead and enter your service address. This is the address you intend on using the service at. So you can go ahead and type in your actual address if you're probably from an urban area, Kingston, somewhere where you have an actual address like 70 Place. Or if you're from the countryside, you can go ahead and try to type in your address. If it doesn't find your actual address, what you want to do is select a city closest to you. For example, I'm typing in here, Monique St. Anne, Jamaica, and it will locate that. All right, so whatever address is closest to you. After you do that, it's going to take you to the service page. Once you arrive here, you know that service is available in your area. It's listing here now the two equipment type that's available for Starlink. So we have the standard kit and we have the mini kit. The standard kit for Starlink costs $63,640. That is the total landed cost to get the equipment to Jamaica for you, and you won't have to pay any additional custom charges or worry about anything else. DHL will deliver this to you directly to your address for no additional cost, right? If you go ahead and choose the mini kit, the total cost for the mini kit is $41,650. So if you have the mini kit, it's a little bit cheaper than the standard kit. And the difference is just the processing power. Like the standard kit process has a little bit more processing power. So if you require a lot of data, a lot of usage, you're probably a bot, you're probably doing trading, you need all that power and consistency, you should go with the standard kit. That's what I use, and it's worked well for my home, for my cameras, for all the stuff that I use it for. So I would recommend that service. Now, once you've selected your equipment, there's two variations in terms of the plans that's available. So you can select the residential light plan or you can go with the residential plan. The residential light plan cost is $5,500 per month, or you can pay the residential plan, which costs $7,000 per month. All right, so the difference between both these plans are the residential plan, you have priority service. So you get the top level speeds that's available. On the residential light plan, you're deprioritized. Not that you still won't get fast speed, but your speeds will be a little bit slower. Nothing to worry about. If you're just doing Netflix, cameras, you're also fine here. So if you want to save a couple bucks, you can try the residential light service and see how that works out. If you don't like it, there is no cost to switch over to the residential service. So once you're satisfied here and you pick the equipment that works for you, you can go ahead and add that thing to your cart. You can go ahead here, hit the checkout button, and it's going to put that in the cart for you. Once the item is added to the cart, this is where we're going to go ahead and add all our other information. So the important information like your name, your email, your phone number, and all the pertinent information so DHL could deliver this to you, right? It is important. It is imperative that you put a phone number that works so DHL can contact you to deliver your package. If they don't have a correct number or they can't get a hold of you, this might hamper the delivery of your Starlink once it gets into the island. So you want to put a good number that they can call you, get a hold of you, arrange delivery. Now this is the screen that I was telling you. If your address didn't pop up at the front, you know, no need to worry, you can add it here. You want to go ahead and add the most details you can add about your address. So if you live in a corporate area where you can add, for example, your address with a number like 70 Place, Kingston 10, you can go ahead and do that here. If you're from the countryside and your address don't have no number, gonna go ahead here and add whatever it is that's on your utility bill. So for example, if you live in Higgintown, I can give you this example. It's Higgintown District, Higgintown, Higgintown, PA, the city is St. Anne, and it already has Jamaica selected for you. So you can add your address even if it doesn't have a number, because DHL will call your phone number to schedule delivery for you. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and put your payment information in. This payment information is only to pay for your order. It's not to pay your monthly internet bill. So if in the future you'd like to use a new card, you can also do that. No need to worry. And once you've done that, go ahead and hit checkout. In my cart, I have the standard unit, which again, the cost is $63,640. No additional fees. So cut out the middleman, save some money, order it here. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, drop them in the comment section. I will get in there and try to answer them to the best of my ability. So again, save some money and get reliable internet. Flow and Digicel, we need that trouble now. All right, big up on yourself till next time.